life is about money, but life's journey cannot be just about money. You want to succeed? There's only one classic formula for success. Whether 2000 years ago and now, there's only one simple formula. Work hard, work smart. If you think that there's no hope, then there won't be. There won't be hope, there won't be progress. But if you think that you can do it, whatever the odds may be, then I can almost guarantee you that eventually you will succeed. I think you would definitely agree that ICAP, Berhad, and the Investor Day, they are both truly special and truly priceless. Our share price outperformed the S&P a bit and outperformed Nasdaq by quite a fair bit. Even so, we've been increasing our very steadily. You know, we don't believe in timing. As long as undervalued, we buy steadily. Hopefully, we'll be increasing our stake to a much higher level. So dividend policy of ICAP is the most innovative, as I said last year. Between the US stock market and the US bond market, because the bond market are played by professionals, so it's a lot more serious. So this serious, credible financial market is giving you a signal that's the opposite of the equity market. If the stock is good, is undervalued, and got good prospects, just buy, stagger it. The company has recently declared a 10.41 cent dividend, which is going to be axed 4th November. US-China tensions will not reduce, it might worsen in 2025 onwards. Shorter term, as I mentioned to you, KLSC probably will undergo a correction. Shorter term meaning over the next 3 or 6 months. My longer term outlook is still bullish, and ICAP will still benefit from rising stock prices because we have invested a lot in the last 2 odd years, and once the NAV is rising, you have better investor sentiment and the cash holding has declined.
So this is actually a very, very good platform where we reach out to the retail audience, because most of our engagement as a company is always to institutional investors.
Experience are getting better from year to year. Especially this year, I think invited a lot of companies here, and those I think really provide a lot of valuable insight to investors and audiences who come here. I think I can gain a lot of opportunity and learning opportunities to learn about what is investing all about and get to know about all the different companies and what they are actually doing. So basically you get more insights on different companies and what their business models are.
Pretty impressed, by the whole flows and the talks being given by the bosses.
So it's a very eye-opener, and you get to know what's happening in that industry or in that company, which I guess we are interested in.
I think this provides a platform for us to share our experience.
It's very insightful and gave us a valuable insight into the investment world.
I would say for a beginner that was pretty insightful. So now I'm looking forward to join the track one to understand a bit of advanced level of investment.
I think most universities don't have a lot of exposure towards investing unless they read a lot. And so this event is a very good exposure for young people like us.
I guess it's very important for people to have the correct knowledge on EPF, especially with this large crowd. I think we can disseminate more important information about the EPF to the general public. Yeah.